guys.
back here with.
Here's a Fanimation Palisade ceiling fan. This is the early version.
We did a reproduction of that.
So here's
bang,
low.
Things just started selling like crazy. So we're
Yeah.
not a corporate company. So it wasn't until
Pretty
75.
cool.
Okay, we got a real fan company name.
Yeah.
The movie Casablanca was known for the fans.
This thing is like the early version of the Palisade. Doesn't this date back to like the 90s? Here's medium.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a classic one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Medium.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And here's high.
I've got a much larger version.
Yeah.
I used to do nothing but commercial, so restaurants, hotel lobbies, and theme parks. I've done a lot of movies.
Awesome.
I was in Southern California.
Alright, so that's the
And,
Fanimation
this
Palisade
one
early version.
Jeff
Bye.
designed